All right, we're taking a look at this desktop heating fan. This was sent to me for testing and review. You can see here, this is the MY9001. So let's just get this open up and check it out. So I am pretty excited. It's supposed to be getting cold pretty soon, so let's go ahead and check this out. Get this all unboxed. So we have the unit itself here. This is pretty nice looking. You can see it's definitely desktop size. Looks like we have a dial there for you to choose the different sizes for how hot you want it. And then we have a carrying handle that's in the box along with our user manual. So it looks like our handle here, we have these two things on the side that's supposed to go into. So let's go ahead and do that. There you go. Upon first impressions, looks pretty nice. Looks like we have a tip over function as well. A lot of heaters have this. Basically, if pressure is not being pushed down on that, it will not go off. And that's definitely what that is. It looks like here we have the dump switch. And basically this is for if it ever gets tipped over, it's going to turn off. So we do have one of those. So let's get this plugged in and check it out. All right, so we have kind of a look. This is plugged in now. Just a really quick look at this desktop heating fan. So we have our settings here. We can turn on the fan, and then we have low and high. It's kind of pretty simple, but remember how I pointed out the dump switch there, just kind of to demonstrate how that works. So this does get hot. I've already tested it. So we can turn on the fan. Medium, high, whatever you want. It does get pretty hot. So honestly, for me, just the fan is enough. With that dump switch, basically you can see if it tips over, it automatically turns off. And that is because you have to have pressure on that button there. Otherwise, this whole thing's just going to turn off, which is a huge safety thing because this is just putting out a lot of hot air. So overall, very cool. I'm excited to use this when it actually is getting cold outside. But for now, it's just going to be a display piece, I guess, depending on where I decide to put it. But definitely want to check out if you're looking for a desktop heating fan, or this would actually be good for like under your feet as well, like underneath the desk to help warm up your feet. But there you go.